Good morning, everyone. It's a Monday morning. Here's a review of the rain and thunderstorms that primarily hit northern Arkansas over the last just over 12 hours and what may be happening later today. This is the current radar. It's still raining in parts of Boone County and down into Newton County, Arkansas, Searcy County, Arkansas, and those areas getting a pretty good rain actually in an area that really needs it. Zooming out just a little bit here, you'll see what we're up against. We still have pretty active thunderstorms down to the south here and southwest of us, but they are way down there, and that's going to impact where they develop later today, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But those rains pretty healthy. Take a look at the rainfall estimate by the radar, and this is what I like to call the snail trails for the individual thunderstorms. You can clearly see that we had some storms that rolled this way. We had one late last night actually that rolled in that way, and then one that kind of rolled across Madison County into Searcy County ending. But now you need to realize that there were large hail reports in here, and that a lot of times that tends to spike the rain estimate. In other words, the radar doesn't know the difference between a large hailstone and a large raindrop. Despite that fact, though, those are pretty general rains in an area that largely needed it. In May, the driest area in the Ozarks was actually this area right here, most deficit of rain, so that was welcome for those folks certainly. And there was some severe weather reports. Now here's Springfield at the top of your screen here, except for a small hail report that's not showing up here in southeastern Ozark County. Almost all of the severe weather reports, as I zoom out here, the H's are hail and the W's are wind. We're in Washington County, and again also over into Newton County, and a lot of it basically slips south of our area in the overnight hours. Coming back to the radar here, let's turn that off and turn on the satellite here this morning and zoom out. These bright tops or cold tops are these thunderstorm clusters that congeal, and you can clearly see where those are here today. Not a problem finding that. One right there, another area here, another one here. And today, basically, there is an arc of severe weather that is possible in association with a frontal system, and a lot of that is going to happen in this area and to a more limited extent in this area here. And if I stop the loop and go ahead and put on the SPC Outlook, this is the slight risk area here from St. Louis southeastward to Birmingham. And again, I wouldn't put it past a couple of the storms in this area here, especially earlier today, to get to severe limits. But generally today, we are in a process of clearing the storms out and heading for a midweek temperature pattern that's actually pretty close to normal. If you need rain, Missouri, I think we're pretty much out of it. Northern Arkansas, you still have some shots later today, and it's going to be a drier weather pattern by later in the week.